Whoa, you're a genius.
Nah,
This is your first time trying?
Yeah.
I have never seen one of these.
That's
Yeah.
easy to know this.
30 seconds you can weld with
Yeah.
this.
Anybody.
Yeah, correct. Anybody, yeah. It's super easy.
Oh no, this is the power too low. This is
It's,
Let him try it. Let him try.
You can try. But not very suitable.
No? That's right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe you can do that.
Awesome.
Well, that thing is we need to do a feeder. It's quarter inch.
So what is it? Don't finish two tips.
Yeah, too thick.
If
Yeah.
you like it, we can next time bring the dual feeder for your heavy projects.
Okay.
But I see you have a lot of.
Come on. I never do that.
I like it.
Nice.
See the
Wow.
It's very fast, right?
Yeah.
You don't have to go.
Se calienta,
Keep-
sí pasa.
Sí. Sí. Yeah, I like it.
He's a true welder.
Yeah. He's
I
one
like
of the
it.
best. Everybody
Like
comes
it?
here.
Yeah.
Bonito?
Yeah, see?
Yeah, you even don't need to learn it.
No,
Yeah,
yes.
then you can weld it.
Anyone can weld now.
Yeah, correct. I agree with you. And you can adjust the power, adjust the speed, adjust the wobble frequency.
Fue poquito, ¿no?
Dice muy rápido. Sí, solito le empuja.
¿Oh, sí?
Sí.
Yeah, I like your skills. You are one of the best welders I've ever seen. I meet with around 50 welders in LA. You are top 5.
Really?
One of the top 5.
You
Okay.
should see his work. He does some good
Yeah,
work.
Yeah, but I think some people have used this machine before, but
yeah,
for me, this is the first time.
yeah. This is one of the latest and the best cutting-edge technology for laser welder. Because people usually use a water-cooled one. Right now we use air-cooled one. It functions better and it's more portable
Yeah.
and lighter.
Pásame otro.
¿Tú?
Otro metal, sí. No, igual de tubo.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, I like it.
¿Corto o...?
Sí, corta la mitad este.
The hand
It's not
is
heavy.
down. That's very good.
Yeah, it's not heavy. This machine is light.
Very
I
light.
I like it. Like
Yeah.
this.
And the most important thing is your hand is very stable.
Okay.
You hold the gun very stable. This is very important.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm used to work with the
Yeah.
big machine, thick machine.
Uh-huh.
That's why my hand is stable.
Yeah, feeling different.
Yeah.
For this custom, we use 35% power, 100 Hz wobble frequency, and 2.5 millimeter wobble active. Speed now is 80.
¿No?
Oh, can your hand is so stable? I think maybe next time when you want to do demonstration, so we pay you for demonstration for other customer.
Okay.
Really? I'm serious.
See, I like
Yeah.
the machine.
Bonito.
See. See.
Nice.
Yep.
Okay.
Bonito bien, parece.
Then it's your machine. Yeah. It's yours.
For free? Okay.
Yeah.
Can I try with the aluminum?
Yeah.
But you have to change the.
Yeah, I will change the wire right now. You're happy with
Yeah,
steel,
I'm
right?
really happy. Yes.
Okay, let's try the aluminum.
Okay.
Okay, you can put it down the table. Then
Chingo bonito.
customer very happy with steel. This is carbon steel. Right now we change another material, we change into aluminum. We have another demo for aluminum. Yeah, it work. Yeah, penetrating.
Yeah.
I use 40% power.
100%.
The push of the aluminum and carbon steel is different. It's not that strong, but you can put the slight push.
See?
Oh, come on!
It's hot.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, little by little.
Yeah,
I want to try something like.
yeah, you can try that. Yeah, super easy. This one. Wow. Yeah, his hand is very stable. Yeah,
See?
yeah.
Very good.
Much better than me.
Strong.
Yeah, super strong. Oh, come on. Like an artist. Huh? You're like an artist, you see?
I like the machine.
Wow.
Yeah.
I like it.
Then machine is yours.
Thank you.
Take it.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. I like your hand. He well, his welding skills is super good.
Good
Yeah,
welder.
super good
Ah,
well.
más fácil para el piso y todo.
Yeah,
See.
it's very stable. I can see that. Normally you can see this. It's very stable hand.
Okay.
Now you are top 3.
Something. Sí, no se quiebra.
Oh, come on. Nice.
Yeah, very good.
Sí, los lados. Yo pensé que era bien frágil, no sé, porque se ve.
I like it a lot.
Yeah. Nice. We are now custom welding with aluminum. We just change the power a little bit, change from 35 to 40 compared to the carbon steel. Other parameters same. Super good, super good. let me see this one. Maybe a sticker. I use. Let me use 6% power.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Oh, so stable. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here you hold a little bit, but that's fine. No
Yeah.
problem. Yeah.
First time, always.
Ah, yeah. The corner welding is most difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah, that works. Yeah, that works. Come on. Nice. Yeah, you just.
Yeah, it's a little bit dirty
yeah.
because
But you can clean. It's very easy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
está caliente.
you clean that part. You just.
Let me try this again with the same power. I don't know.
This one thing I use 40. Yeah. Yeah, color is good. I got just power. Just hold on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
These two I use 40% power. They are similar, right? And these two, this one is thicker.
Exactly.
This one is thicker. So I use 6% power.
6%.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just 20% different. If this one I use 6%, it will be penetrating. Not good. Yeah, too much power. Yeah.
Wait, how much? What percent?
This one?
6 you said?
This one 40.
Oh, 40.
Maybe you can use 35, 38. If it works for you, then it's good.
Whatever, yeah.
Yeah. You can adjust for different thickness metals to get the best performance.
Exactly.
Yeah. Oh, his hand is so stable.
Want to try or what?
It's fine. Yeah, you weld so good. Yeah.
¿Los gruesos, no? ¿O lo mismo?
No, it's igual.
¿Está bien?
Oh, it's a lot faster.
Yes, it's faster.
And now you
Yeah,
are
because-
top two.
Top
Yeah.
Top one. Full top one.
Top one is me.
There's another one.
Just kidding.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're
because
best welder, really.
Welding
Yeah.
aluminum with TIG is a lot of time.
I'm sorry.
I used to weld.
Like 10.
Yeah.
10 times faster
10 times
than the TIG one?
Yeah.
Yeah, and TIG welding is too much time, and sometimes the material is too thin for that machine.
Oh.
Then the
Too thin for that machine. Yeah.
yes.
What is that amp? How much? 300?
Price or
Yeah, maybe. I mean the amp.
Amplitude.
200.
200. Yeah,
Yes.
that's too much for this thickness.
Yes.
Yeah. But this machine
I
you can
like this
adjust the
machine.
power, so 10 times faster.
Okay.
I saw it is only 5 to 8 times.
Mm.
Yeah, if 10 times is you can save a lot of time.
Yes. Right time.
And the performance,
Really good for me. Yes.
Oh.
What about the cleaning action? Cleaning.
cleaning.
Yes.
That's fine. then you put on this thing, and there's a lens right here.
Okay.
It's good for welding, and it's also good for cleaning, but only for small parts.
Okay.
So say if you wanna, for something that's like
To clean this table.
like a
Yeah.
wider part,
Yeah.
you wanna do it faster or wider, you change it to
Yeah.
this piece, because this one expands the laser.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay.
So 可以直接用了。
And also for power, normally if you want to try to cleaning, you got to use maybe 80% or 70%. Yeah. And the valve up you change to 5, change to maximum. Then you can start well. Start to cleaning, sorry.
Usa uma limpeza assim.
Yeah.
Beleza.
Because you see, it's not wide enough.
It's hot. No, not hot.
Yeah. 再来一下。
哦，是了。
Try it again. Yeah. If you want to clean the welder, you just change this one. Change this lens. You have
Yeah.
welder cleaning and much power with this, maybe 3 to 5 times. Yeah. 别射啊，装饰。
Mira,
Sembra di vedere.
e poi dice che lo fai un passaggio lungo.
Try it.
Yeah, maybe for cleaning we gotta use the other focusing lens. Do better.
Better do it closer.
This glass is okay.
Yeah.
It burns more if it was too far.
Okay.
Yeah, but if you use the other one, it should be much stronger.
It's fun. It's fun, right?
Yes.
You wanna burn something else? Like burn like wood and stuff?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got the things off.
Yes.
It's just hot.